This right here is a telescoping pressure washer wand. So this will work with your existing pressure washer. It just basically replaces the wand. And it goes up to 24 feet, which I'm hoping is going to be high enough, but we'll see. So this is everything it comes with. You have your instructions, which are always good to read. And what's nice about it is it has different fittings for different setups on your pressure washer. And it comes with 5 tips, and it even comes with this little guy that you use to clean the tips. You got some Teflon tape. It comes with an Allen key that you use to tighten some parts on the wand. And you have a wand extension right here that goes here, and then one of these, this little loop, will make it so that it will face down, basically. And then you have this, which you wear, and it will help support the weight of this, which is good because I have a feeling once we start putting water through that, it's going to get kind of heavy. So this one doesn't fit, but what's nice is I can use this, and then this one will fit. I'm going to start with the widest tip. This is 40 degrees. And let's turn the pressure washer on. Put some pressure in it. Got my handy vest on. Flip it in. Okay, this is supposed to take some of the weight. Give it a shot. Whoa! Okay, that's a little tricky to control.